Have you ever loved someone so deeply, only to watch it all fall apart? That gut-wrenching silence after a breakup? That emptiness you can't explain? Yeah. I've been there. And if you're going through a love failure right now, I want you to hear this. Your heart may feel broken, but you are not. In this video, we're diving into how to protect your mental health, heal from the inside out, and slowly, beautifully, rebuild. Let's take that first step together. Section 1. Acknowledge the pain. Let's be real, love failure hurts. And sometimes, it doesn't just hurt, it crushes you. The silence, the flashbacks, the what-ifs, it can feel like your whole world is shattered. But here's the truth no one tells you enough: it's okay to not be okay. You don't have to pretend you're strong right now. You don't have to smile through the pain. Your emotions are valid. Acknowledging the pain is the first step toward healing. Don't bottle it up. Let it out. Cry. Write. Scream into a pillow if you need to. You're not weak for feeling deeply, you're human. Feel it. Face it. And know this: what you're feeling right now is temporary. You won't feel this way forever, even if it seems impossible right now. The storm will pass. You're just in the middle of it. Section 2. Cut off to heal. One of the hardest parts of a breakup? The urge to stay connected. To check their social media. To reread old messages. To see if they miss you too. But every time you do that, you're reopening a wound that's trying to close. Cutting off contact isn't about being bitter or dramatic. It's about creating space, space to breathe, space to think clearly, and most importantly, space to heal. You need emotional distance to rebuild your identity without that person. Because right now, your heart is confused. It's attached to memories, not reality. And to move forward, you have to stop feeding those memories. That doesn't mean you'll never speak again. But for now, this silence is sacred. It's your healing zone. And you deserve that peace. Section 3. Routine is medicine. When your heart is broken, even getting out of bed can feel like climbing a mountain. Suddenly, everything feels meaningless. Your brain is stuck in the past. Your energy's gone. You just want to escape. But here's a quiet truth: routine is medicine. It won't fix everything overnight, but it gives your mind a sense of control, and that's powerful when everything else feels like it's falling apart. Start simple. Wake up at the same time each day. Make your bed. Move your body, even if it's just a short walk around the block. Eat nourishing food. Drink water. These aren't just habits, they're anchors. Every small task you complete tells your brain, I'm still in control. I'm still showing up for myself. And that adds up, day by day, win by win. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is progress. So give yourself grace, and build a rhythm that reminds you, life goes on, and so will you. Section 4. Talk it out. After a breakup, it's easy to go silent. You start isolating yourself. You smile at people but cry alone. And part of you thinks, no one will get it. Or worse, they'll think I'm being dramatic. But holding it all in? That's emotional poison. It builds up. It keeps looping in your head until even small things feel overwhelming. That's why you have to talk it out. Call someone who cares. Text that one friend who always listens. Or if it feels too heavy, talk to a therapist. You don't have to carry all of this on your own. There is strength in sharing. There is healing in being heard. Sometimes, just saying it out loud helps you make sense of what's going on inside. It's like cleaning out a messy room in your mind, one thought, one truth at a time. Remember this: speaking up isn't weakness. It's an act of self-love. You're not a burden. You're a human being in pain, and you deserve support. Section 5. Refocus on you. When you're in love, it's easy to lose pieces of yourself. You adjust, you compromise, you invest everything, until sometimes, you forget who you were before the relationship. But love failure, as painful as it is, gives you one powerful opportunity: The chance to come home to yourself. What did you love doing before them? What dreams did you put on hold? What passions did you dim down to fit into someone else's life? Now is the time to light them back up. Start small. Rebuild your identity, one brick at a time. Discover new hobbies. Set goals that have nothing to do with anyone else. Invest your time and energy into you, your health, your growth, your peace. This isn't about glowing up to make your ex regret losing you. This is about becoming someone you're proud to be, even when no one's watching. Section 6. Avoid toxic coping. When your heart breaks, your mind scrambles for quick relief. Anything to numb the pain. The late-night texts to someone you don't care about. The drinking. The partying. The binge-watching. The endless scrolling. We've all been there. But here's the truth, those quick fixes, they don't heal, they just distract. And the moment the noise fades, the pain comes back, sometimes even louder. Toxic coping might feel good in the moment, but it's like putting a bandage over a deep wound without actually cleaning it. You can't escape your feelings, you can only postpone them. And the longer you wait, the heavier they get. Instead, choose healing over hiding. Pick up a journal instead of your phone. Talk to someone instead of bottling it up. Go for a walk instead of numbing out in front of a screen. This is about protecting your future self. The stronger, wiser version of you that's waiting on the other side of this pain. Don't bury your feelings. Face them, gently, patiently, and with self-respect. Section 7. Trust the timing. Right now, it might feel like you'll never be okay again. Like the pain will last forever. Like no one will ever love you like that again. But I want you to pause, and remember something powerful: everything in life has its season. Healing doesn't have a deadline. There's no right amount of time to move on. Some days, you'll feel okay. Other days, it might hit you all over again. And both are part of the process. You won't always feel stuck. You won't always wake up thinking about them. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll laugh again. You'll dream again. And your heart? It'll open again, stronger, wiser, softer. Don't rush the healing. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Trust the timing of your life. What's meant for you will never require you to break yourself to fit. And what's next for you might be even more beautiful than what you lost. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're just becoming. And the best part of your story is still being written.